Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my MUTUACTOR Magnetic Broom and Mop Holding Rack. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up and I'll show you how it turned out. This set comes with several different pieces. We have the magnetic discs, the actual rack itself, as well as some accessories for the installation. I really like that it comes with two different ways of installing this metal hanger. That way, I'm able to use it for various different purposes and install it anywhere I need to hang equipment. The first way to install is with the magnetic discs. This works great if you have a metallic surface that you can attach the magnets onto, such as a metal door, metal tool drawer, or even the side of the refrigerator. To do the magnet installation, all we will need is to put the screws in and tighten it with the included mini screwdriver. Once the two magnet discs are securely fastened onto the metal bar, we are ready to stick it onto our metal surface. Here I am using it to hang various cleaning tools on my door. On the broom holder, notice how there are two wheels that rotate as I push the handle in place. The wheels are made of rubber, which gives it the flexibility and grip to hold my tools tightly. I can also hang some stuff on the hook part of the holder as well. The second way to install is with the screws onto the wall. I love that they provided the needed accessories for this method of installation, because not all the areas around my house have metal surfaces, and it is also nice to be able to put this hanger in areas that might not stick to magnets. To do the wall installation, we will first slide the screw into the transparent ring before we screw it into the wall. The purpose of this transparent ring is to hold the screw cover once we are done installing to the wall. I really like this because once we cover the screws with the screw cover, it basically hides the screws and it makes it look very nice and sophisticated. It also has some drywall anchors if you need those as well. We used a level to make sure that our installation is straight and leveled. This installation worked really well for us because we needed to organize the utility closet, and putting the broom, mop, and dustpan up on the hanger actually reduced clutter and helped create more space in the closet. Overall, we are really liking all the features that come with this hanger rack. If you are looking for a convenient way to organize your home or your garage with a heavy-duty hanger, don't miss out on this one.